came up here to beat the fog. We were told the morning would be nice and clear.
Yep.
And look at this view. Frick.
I am made to be free.
So we just got our tickets, 81 each, and now we can keep going. So we've got let off our bus now, and we're on the bridge from the road up to Ping An, up this way, and
No rice terraces yet.
no rice terraces yet. Good, I didn't want to spoil the surprise, but maybe now we do our patented Wandering Blue Passports hitchhiking success adventures.
So there ended up being a bus that we grabbed up, so hitchhiking failed. But I don't think it's much of a thing in China anyway. And now we're just walking up to our hostel. It's really foggy. We're a little worried we won't see anything the whole time we're here, but hopefully the clouds disperse at some point. We're walking through town, or through the village, to find lunch, and we got our first little glimpse of the rice terraces up there. We're starting to peek through. Hopefully it continues.
So the view's a little disappointing. We get to the 7 stars with the moon lookout, and even though we can't see anything, the entire site is under construction. So we're hoping that it'll clear up here, because otherwise this entire adventure is all for naught. The town's really nice. It's a really sort of quaint, cute little town. It's like a ghost town though. There's nobody here right now. November is not the time to come here. But hopefully it clears up. We're gonna wait around a little bit, and hopefully we can see something. And if that doesn't work, then it doesn't work. And tomorrow we'll go off to the other viewpoint, which is called the 9 Dragons or something like that. That one sounds cooler anyways, so hopefully that one just works out. But as of right now, ugh.
So we made it to both viewpoints, and as you can see, it's very cloudy. You can't see much, which is pretty disappointing. You can tell that it would be amazing if it was clear, because you can see like a little bit, but not a lot. But at the second viewpoint, a guy was working and said that it is clearer in the morning. So hopefully tomorrow morning it is the case for us, because this is what we came here for. It was clear as we were walking up, like looking up, you could tell that it was a little bit clearer, but then this just rolled in right when we got here. We're gonna wait. Hopefully it still gets clear.
Cleared up a little bit, and now we're just doing like rush photo sessions because we got like a little bit of clear and it's rolling in over here. We have got a little bit of clear skies, and so we've been snapping photos like mad. Stacey's been going crazy because we finally got a somewhat half decent view from this viewpoint, which is actually really nice. We almost headed down before when we're like, stupid fog just rolled in. But I'm really glad we didn't. It's like getting really clear and it's looking really nice. Should you come in November? Probably not.
But if you do,
wait. Just get up early and come wait. Because maybe it'll pay off for you, because it has for us. So after battling with the clouds for a day and a half, they've sort of gone away. And we actually got really lucky. The view at this one point is like, bad angle, this is like wicked. And we can actually see like down into the valley and into the neighboring villages and stuff. So it's actually, I think we lucked out a lot, because even the people that we talked to here were like, no, it's gonna be cloudy forever. So,
Yeah.
I mean, like,
This makes me so happy.
yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Although I still wouldn't come in November.
So yesterday, after we enjoyed the rice terraces, fog rolled back in, so we just went back to the hostel and relaxed and edited and stuff. And now we're heading down to the bus and heading out to the next place.